Hey there, future tech wizards. Ever wondered who's really behind those super smart AI tools everyone's talking about? You know, things like self-driving cars and robots that can play chess? Well, it's not magic, and AI isn't thinking up these things all on its own. Behind every amazing AI creation is a team of brilliant minds called engineers. Engineers are the masterminds who bring AI to life. They're like architects, but instead of buildings, they design and build the invisible world of algorithms and data that make AI tick. Think of AI as the cool, futuristic car, and engineers as the skilled mechanics and designers who make it go vroom. Without engineers, AI would just be a bunch of ideas floating around. It's the engineers who turn those ideas into reality, using their creativity and problem-solving superpowers. Curious to find out more? Let's dive into the awesome world of engineering and see how they do it. So, what exactly does an engineer do all day? Well, it's more exciting than just staring at computers. Engineers are like detectives and inventors rolled into one. They use their knowledge of math, science, and technology to solve real-world problems. Imagine you want to create an AI that can help doctors diagnose diseases faster. Engineers will study the problem, brainstorm ideas, and then design and build the AI software using special computer languages. They'll test it, make improvements, and keep working until the AI is accurate and reliable. But it's not just about writing code. Engineers also work with electronics, build robots, design complex systems, and so much more. They are the bridge between imagination and innovation, making the impossible possible. Let's meet some real-life engineering heroes who've used AI to change the world. Remember those self-driving cars we talked about? Teams of brilliant engineers have spent years developing the complex algorithms and sensors that allow cars to see their surroundings and navigate safely without human drivers. And what about those virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa? They exist thanks to engineers who specialized in speech recognition and natural language processing. These engineers train